Hi YouTube, it's Anne. I'm just out for my walk and I'm here at one of my favorite spots. It's an energy portal. I'm just charging my water there. Um, yeah, everybody can feel the energy, so we leave colored items, sparkly things, um, shiny things, things from nature. There's often flowers here. Money, coins. There's a crystal. Some of these items I've left. Some other people have left. And some things go missing. So who knows? Maybe the squirrels, maybe the nature spirits take them. I don't know. But hopefully you can feel some of this energy.